what I made a comment. What I made a comment and
hold on there. You got DJ Khaled now?
yeah, like when I made that comment, bro, I was thinking, I was just it wasn't like me just jump and make the comment. So at first, I started sitting and think and I said, yo, them money always say them want to do thing for dancehall music, you know what I say? But them not really do nothing for dancehall music. Me appreciate them money always come in the dancehall music and say, them a try help dancehall and them a do this for dancehall and take the praise and them a do this, you know. And then when you look at it, they not really do it. Well, them a make them friend them eat a food, yes. And so the people that eat a food is okay with that. But what about like doing for dancehall? And so when I thought about that, I start to say, yo, every time Khaled come, I the same artist them, invite and song them never hit. But when I said that though,
yeah,
I really was just like, you know, tweeting how I felt.
Right.
The tweet now took on a life of its own because apparently more than half of the industry wanted to say that. But due to politics, them never did ever say it. And then here come say it now.
Yeah.
And it was like, whoa! And then all of a sudden it's just a big thing like, whoa! And then the media stand, you know, people start add on things and start put on things and now them start directed to particular artists like me that pinpoint a particular artist. I mean, I never that pinpoint nobody or nothing. I just say, yo, dog, give somebody some chance. It's one bag of youth out there. You know what I mean? Every day you come and one set up, you know what I mean? Give somebody some chance. You know what I say? So, how am I wrong with that? I can't have how am I wrong. Give some other man some chance, dog. Like if you check by the whole of Khaled catalog, and the same line of people, them.
Right.
You know what I say? But, no, and I think is my thing is there, bro. All right, if you want to do something for dancehall, here we do. Because you have the capacity and the capability to do it.
Mm-hmm.
You're saying both have one building down Africa Road. So why not lease out one floor and put We the Best Jamaica down there? Sign some producers. You can't do dancehall in a Khaled. You can't do dancehall. Look how long you play dancehall and none of them not it. We have to say, you can't do dancehall. So since you wanna do it, sign some dancehall producer then. And when time them done produce a song, you put your name on the song. I'm gonna get some real dancehall song with it and go across the world and you can do your thing. You know what I say? Why don't you do that? Build a label down here, but when we say, yeah, We the Best Jamaica, they right down Africa Road, and we can go see if we can get a sign and you can go. We don't do that then since you want to do something in the industry. You come and I hype and I follow them idiot that way you connect with down Jamaica and I throw and them something. Like me want to build the vibes. I never want to build the vibes with them, man. But just I say give some other some chance. You know what I mean? Some other some chance, bro. That's all. B.
Another argument, Mr. Alex, is that them say, boy, from day one, I saw the link there, and him just keep that link there. So, but I see a point where you say, oh, you can give some other people a chance if you really want to do something for dancehall.
You're really gonna fucking sit
no,
there.
No, me tell you what, that's the different arguments from here.
That's no argument, brother. How can that be an argument, Bo, because I'm saying, oh, that can't be an argument. First of all, if a talent, let me tell you this, if I Khaled alone, him Khaled vice the whole Jamaica. But when him come down to him connects is the ones who directly
keep it in other circle.
Okay. You say that Khaled, you know, Firebun film. If it up to him, man, him love the music for real. I don't act like him not love the music. They're there from day one. Me know Khaled. I'll leave my dog. Me did that video where Khaled post. Me the right beside to the Mataran. Cause me and Mataran upon the word of them time. All them time when Khaled a big Mataran for show him off it, do that sound clash up me. Cause me and Mataran par right through them time.
Okay.
You know me I say so we don't know Khaled, man. Can't remember one time I just got a $10,000 watch. When time you have some watch named Jacob around the place from New York. I'm my parade, my boy I'm run Sashi.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And the man go Jacob, I'm gonna pick up some watch. Just got my brand new 10 watch. I say Khaled. Them time Khaled at that time, them no boss at another time, never just DJ Khaled.
Right.
Like DJ Nora them and DJ Steely them and all of them and you know me I say. And the man see me watch and I say, oh Alexis step up like bro, I'm not the biggest thing in Jamaica, what you mean?
Most can hold on.
Well, I say, come on. But that's a mess. We go way back. We know him long time, so I don't know who me I talk about. You know what I say?
Yeah.
And Khaled, don't fucking act like you don't know what we're talking about. I know you know what I talk about. I'm saying you're going to see this video anyway, because people going to see they're going to tag him in this fucking video.
and for the record, you know, say, him do like dancehall.
Nah, man, him love Khaled, no. Him really,
genuinely,
him really like this real. Him really want to do this shit, but like me say, him connect them. Always I keep him something and I want something, and then for free up the whole thing. You can't do dancehall in a Cali. You can't do dancehall. Look how long you play dancehall and none of them not it. We have to say, you can't do dancehall. So since you wanna do it, sign some dancehall producer then. And when time them done produce the song, you put your name on the song.